This yacht might be the most expensive object a billionaire ever bought. Its price? Almost $5 billion. The yacht is called History Supreme, and it's covered in gold and platinum. Even the floor and railings were made from precious metals, more than 100,000 kilograms of them. Inside there's a luxury bar, a giant aquarium, and even a bedroom wall made from meteorite rock. The master bedroom also includes real dinosaur bone. Yes, actual dinosaur fossil. And the craziest part? One billionaire allegedly paid $4.8 billion for it, more than some entire companies are worth.